confusion, missing persons case, and in your wife's dressing room we find an envelope marked clue.
It's for our anniversary. My wife does these treasure hunts.
I'm hoping you can tell me what this means.
You want to solve Amy's treasure hunt?
It'll help me track Amy's movements before she
Of
disappears.
course. Okay. Although the spot couldn't be tighter, it's a cozy room for my baby.